Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, fire signs. Okay, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see, tingnan natin, no, kung ano ba ang mga specific messages ni ex mo if you're still interested. Okay, so yeah, pwede mo panoodin. Okay, so tingnan natin before tayo mag-start. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating po sa ating mga items. Kung meron kayong mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga protection from evil eye, we have ring, necklace, and bracelet. Okay, meron tayo nun. And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga minamanifest, we have granter. Okay, so si granter yung taga tulong, okay, na makuha mo yung minamanifest mo. And syempre, tagapagbigay ng mga surprises. This is unisex, by the way. And pagdating sa love, if you're looking for love, kung may mga conflict kayo sa mga partners nyo, whatsoever, so ito naman siya. Okay, yung para sa'yo. Okay? And sa mga gusto na talagang makaalis, no? Sa mga gusto ng alisang energy, this is for you, the cord cutting. Okay? So, kung meron pang ibang tanong, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, fire signs, let's see. So, gagamit din tayo ng oracle para makakuha ng more specific, na mensahe. Okay, so this is your ex. Think of your ex. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. What is their messages? Okay, let's see. For you, fire signs. Mensahe ni ex mo sa'yo. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Fire signs. Oh, Three of Swords in reverse. And they're confused whether mag-move on, mag-heal, or hindi. They're trapped. Okay? Some of them, yeah, the Magician in reverse. Some of them, they're avoiding talaga na mag-heal. Yeah. Ang ginagawa ng iba is kumukuha ng option. Kumukuha ng ibang pwedeng makakonekan para malesen or sabihin nating hindi ka maisip. Okay, yun lang. Pero sa totoo lang, ayaw nilang mag-heal. Some of them, they're still waiting na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. They're still waiting for you. What else? Ano pang message for you, fire signs? Kuha tayo ng iba't ibang mensahe. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they're not doing good at work, at school, career. Okay, they're not doing good. Three of Pentacles in reverse. The Queen of Chalices. Some of them, napapabayaan nila sarili nila. Napapabayaan nila ang health nila. Some of them. Okay? Excuse me. Iba naman sa kanila, may chance na pwedeng mayroon silang napuntahang third party. Okay? This is specific, not for all. I'm hearing third party connection here. And ngayon, siya yung parang nagpapakamartir doon sa connection. Okay? Whether you know it or kung ano man. Okay, so what else? Yun is parang yung alam mong napunta siya sa third party. Okay? So what else? Anong mensahe pa? Ang kailangan mong malaman coming from your ex. Anong gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? They're not doing good. Actually, they're not. The Lovers in reverse. Some of them pwedeng it could be Gemini. Hindi pa rin totally makita yung para sa kanila. Some of them, they're single. Yeah, Ten of Chalices in reverse. They're not happy sa kung sino man. ang pwedeng ka-connect nila sa ngayon. Some of them, they're just unhappy, like in general. Nasa lower frequency yung person mo. Could be a water sign or Gemini. Okay? They're looking for love, actually. They're looking for love. Nandun yung parang hindi sila makaramdam ng kontento or kasiyahan. Okay? Eight of Wands. Itong kung sino man to gusto niyang kumontak sa'yo. Gusto niyang mag-message. What else? Ano pa? Kunin lang yung pwedeng mag-resonate, okay? So, Temperance in reversed. Somebody's being impatient. They need you. This person needs you. Could be a Sagittarius. Okay? Or yeah, a fire sign placements then. Fellow fire sign and an earth sign. They need you. Some of them, meron ako nakikitang galit sa'yo. Ito is specific. Galit siya sa'yo. Kasi parang feeling niya, kaya mo nang humindi sa kanya. Kaya mo nang umayaw sa kanya. Siguro ikaw yung somebody na pwedeng lumayo sa kanya. Galit siya sa'yo. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Okay? Kaya siya nagagalit kasi they realize something. Realizing everything. Yung worth mo, yung value mo. Okay? Yeah, see? The Empress. They see you as the Empress. They see your worth. Your value. There's this jealousy. Some of them, they felt, feeling nila, napapag-iwanan mo na sila, nandoon yung selos, kung sino man yan, whether babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender nito. Okay? So, you're not doing good at all. You're not. Pero ditong parang, sabi niya, natatakot siya na may masira din sa kung anumang connection meron sa kanila sa ngayon kasi iba sa kanila nasa connection. So, ang nangyari, naging one-sided yung connection nila kasi gusto niyang maging okay. Magkaroon ng magandang flow, pero it's not. Ang nangyari is one-sided. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Andoon yung energy ng boredom. Okay? So, there. Kung sino man yung mga pumasok sa isip nyo, then maybe sa kanila galing yung energy, yung message. So, let's see ano bang meron for you. Fire signs dito sa ating oracle. Kuha tayo ng ilan. For fire signs, message ng ex mo sa'yo. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. You came closer than anyone. Okay. What else? You speak to me through music. So, may chance na itong taong ito is kung ano man yung mga naririnig nilang music, kanta. Parang doon nila na-express kung ano man yung mga emosyon. Pwedeng doon siya nakakakuha ng mensahe galing sa'yo. Or pwedeng naaalala ka niya every time na may maririnig siyang kanta, like specific na kanta. Okay? It was my fault, but I blamed you. Oh, last. For you fire signs, last. Last message from an ex. I look for you everywhere. Some of them, they're stalking you, looking for you. Okay? We will be together again. Last. Okay. So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Fire sign placements. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, again, thank you. Goodbye.